If you guys had only seen how many tech issues I've had today, here we are in part three. This is going to be part three for Splash now. Only Splash. We're not doing all the different buildings anymore. If you're on my page, you can see that all of the videos are there. I'm sorry, you're just going to have to click on each one individually. Too many tech problems. I've said the same thing 1,000 times today, so this is the way I can get it out for you. Very quickly for Splash. Splash has been a little sluggish in May, June, and July, but has picked up a little bit. September and October were sort of seller market territory. We're kind of bouncing around between that and a little bit of buyer market territory. For the most part, well, let me show you some pricing, and I've got some theories on it for you. Only one closing in November for Splash, $389,900 for a 2-bedroom unit. Splash has typically been such a good, solid rental property. A lot of the ones we're talking about today have been, but I just haven't seen as many upgrades or renovations in Splash as I have in some other projects. And so some of that could be why the market's a touch sluggish in there compared to some other ones, but it's still very, very good overall. Probably some opportunity for someone to buy a unit in Splash if they can get a good deal and do some major renovations. They could probably do really well on the rental side. There are just not that many units that have been heavily updated. Again, if you're looking for some detail on any of the solds or things like that, remember that e-alert system is a good way to do that. You'll be sent that information I just showed you, and you can play around with it, take your time comparing the photos and that kind of thing. We'll be back at the beginning of January, beginning of next year, believe it or not. I can't believe I'm saying it. And for a 2020 year-end comprehensive update, market review, and then also give you some look at what we're expecting for the spring market. Thanks.